Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. Today we will understand how to calculate power of given integer. In this program what we'll do, we'll take out two integer values from user. One will be a base integer and another will be exponential. For example, in case 2 raised to 3, it has to be 2 as a base number and 3 as an exponent. Then the power equal to 2 into 2 into 2. That means 3 times multiplication of 2. So this way we can find out the power of a given integer. First of all, we'll take an empty file and then we'll write down hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output header file. After that, we are going to start with our integer main function. So let's take integer main function. Inside integer main function, we'll ask for about two variables, that is integer base and exponential variable that we want. So we are going to make the integer base and exponential as an integer data type, but when it comes to the result would be long. So that's why we are using a data type as long. So I'm using long result. So I'm making the third variable long result, and first of all I'm assigning it to 1. So initial value I have assigned. Now I'll take out these two values from the user by using a printf statement. Enter the number here, and then I'm going to use a scanf function, take out the number from user, and by using the format specifier we are going to assign that number to given integer. So percentage d like this, and then write down percentage. So here I have written percentage d comma ampersand base. So I'm going to write down this to base. Just allocate this like by using ampersand sign. Let's use this statement again. I'm going to copy this all. I'm going to put this again, but in this time instead of enter the number I'm going to write down enter the exponential, or let's get it in more proper way, the power which you would like to have, and then I'm going to assign that to x integer that we have declared here. So this way we have taken two values from the user and assigned to the particular variable. Now it's time to perform the operation. So we are using a while loop. I'm going to write down while loop. For while loop I'm putting instruction as exponential modulo exponential factorial equals to 0. Till it becomes 0 it has to do something. That means it has to multiply. That's why I'm going to write down result multiplied and equal to base, and then we have to just write down completely result, and then we have to just minus that exponential again. So it will take out this condition, it will go inside the loop, it will perform this instruction till this condition becomes true, and after that, after this I'm going to print the result. So printf, and then answer is equal to nothing but percentage. See, answers data type is long, that's why I'm using ld. So here I'm using long ld for format specifier, and then comma result. So this way I have written my printf statement and a written 0. So I have written my program for calculating power of given integer. Let's save this file. So save file as power.c, and first of all we are going to build this file. So here is the error, we have to put a semicolon here. Let's build it again. Yeah, build finished with 0 error. Let's run this program. I'm putting the base number as 5. I want exponential as 7. So 5 raised to 7, it has to show the answer like 78,125. Let's go for a normal answer. I'm going to run it again. Enter the base number 2 and enter the exponential as 2, because 2 raised to 2 is nothing but the 4. So here you can see it has made all the correct power operation. Also here we have used a loop, so we have not used any function in this program. By making it by function, so it has a one user defined function right now by doing while loop, but it also has a built-in function. So C programming is having a built-in function, so we are not writing this while loop here. We are simply writing result equals to POW. So POW is a built-in function provided by C to find out the power. So base and exp, whatever name you have given to your integer, that you have to write down. So this way also you can use this POW power function. Let's build and run this program again. Now I am going to enter the number 2 and enter the power 4. As you can see, 2 raised to 4 is 16. So here I have used a power function also, and I have made this by using while loop also. So this way you can find out the power of any given integer. I hope you understood how to find out by using a built-in library function POW, that is power function. Thank you.